Okay, we have Naked Baby and Dad. Naked Baby is very tired because she has not had any naps today.
Dad's eating some grapefruit.
Would you like some grapefruit?
You want some grapefruit?
Let's try. What do you think?
Some more?
Mmm. Would you like another bite? That's sour, hon. That's what sour is. That's what sour is.
You want some more? You want some more? Grapefruit. Grapefruit.
You're such a good sport. You're such a good sport. Do you have a smile for Mommy? Yeah, kind of. It's very good looking into the camera. Yes, very good. What? You have grapefruit pieces on your chin. Yay! Happy baby.